Hey, what's up YouTube? So, in this video, you guys, I'm gonna be showing, in my last, you guys can hear me now, guys? Hey guys, so, I don't know if you can hear me, you guys, but, you guys, I have to be quiet, because it's really early in the morning. So, on my last video, someone commented saying that they wanted me to make a Lego sandwich, and, like, I don't really know how to make that, but I'm gonna do it. Well, guys, do you see do you see how dusty my floor is? I'm gonna clean this up. Hold on. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a sandwich out of Lego, you guys. You guys, you're gonna need a base plate. So you guys, you're gonna need a base plate. It's gonna be like bread colored. I don't have two of these, you guys, so I'll just use this. I toss it over, but I don't want to wake anyone up. Now, I don't really know what goes in a sandwich, you guys. You guys, I don't really know what goes in a sandwich, you guys. So instead of doing, I'm gonna, excuse me, guys. I'm gonna put some red sticks. These are gonna be like carrots, you guys. Sorry guys. And then I'm gonna put some So, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the sticks in like this. Oh, crap. Sorry guys, I swore. And then, you're going to want to, what you're going to want to do is take, Okay guys, so, you need some, let's have like, the people put, oh no, let's do, mayo. So, you're gonna wanna put the white pieces on, and, you put them on like so, and you see like Sorry guys. You put them on like this, so that it's like, yeah, you see how that, and then let's make some lettuce. So we'll use, what is this? Let's use this. This is lettuce, you guys. So it goes on like that, and you see. YouTube. So yeah guys, you guys aren't gonna see this video for a while, but you guys I got kicked out of my Hey, what's up YouTube? Today in this video,
hey YouTube.
Watching my tutorial on how to make a Lego sandwich. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the like button and turn on notifications. Yeah, turn on notifications. Click the like button and comment down below what you want to see me build next.